It is raining. The sky is gray. Caily goes to the market. She looks at the umbrellas. She likes a red umbrella. It is very smart. It costs $12. Caily is a student. She doesn't have much money. I can give you $9 for that umbrella, says Caily. Okay, young lady, this is your lucky day. Give me $9. The umbrella is yours, says the shopkeeper. This is my lucky day, says Caily. She holds the red umbrella above her head. The rain falls on the umbrella. Caily goes to a cake shop. She wants to buy some cakes. Her little brother loves cakes. She goes into the shop. She leaves her red umbrella near the door. It is quiet inside the shop. Caily chooses 3 small cakes. She talks to the shop assistant. At that time, a customer is leaving the shop. She is a young woman. She is holding a cake box. Caily is going to leave the shop. But where is her umbrella? There is one umbrella near the door. It is not a red umbrella. It is not Caily's umbrella. This umbrella is old and black. It has a pattern of yellow ducks. It is not smart. Caily takes the umbrella, saying, "This is not my lucky day." Caily walks to the town square. A young man speaks to her. Hello? He smiles. Caily does not know this young man. She walks away quickly. The young man is following Caily. She walks into a crowd of people. The young man follows the black and yellow low umbrella. Hello? Wait, shouted the young man. Caily turns. She looks at the young man. She is angry. Go away, she says. The young man is sad. Miyuki, I'm sorry, he says. I'm very late. I'm not Miyuki, Caily shouts. You are not Miyuki? Says the young man. He points at the black umbrella with yellow ducks. That's her umbrella. Oh, says Caily. Who is Miyuki? I don't know Miyuki, says the young man. I'm going to meet her. We are going to have coffee. It is my cousin's idea. Miyuki works with my cousin. I am not Miyuki, says Caily again. My cousin has a photo of Miyuki. She's tall. You're tall too. Her hair is short and dark. Your hair is short and dark. In the photo, she has an umbrella. It's a black umbrella with yellow ducks. You have a black umbrella with yellow ducks. Caily looks up at the old umbrella. Miyuki is a thief, she thinks. She has my new red umbrella. Caily is angry again. Please don't be angry, says the young man. He looks at his watch. It's 3 o'clock. Miyuki goes to work at 2:30. I can't meet her now. It's too late. He smiles at Caily. Let's have a coffee together, he says. Caily thinks for a moment. Okay, she says. Let's go to my aunt's cafe. The young man smiles again. That will be great, he says. My name is Patrick. I'm a law student, 3rd year. I'm Caily. I'm a student too. I'm studying science. Caily sits in the cafe with Patrick. They drink coffee. They talk. They laugh. They laugh and talk. Suddenly, Caily jumps up. "Oh no," she says, "it's late. I must go home. I must study. I'm going to have an exam tomorrow." "Good luck," says the young man. "Will you meet me again?" asks the young man. "Yes," answered Caily. "That will be nice," says the young man. It is almost dark. The town square is quiet. Caily sees a tall young woman. The young woman has short, dark hair. She has a smart umbrella. It is a red umbrella. The young woman is Miyuki. Miyuki sees the old black umbrella with yellow ducks. She is worried. Suddenly, her face is red. "Don't worry," says Caily. "Keep my red umbrella. I like this umbrella. It's a lucky umbrella. This is my lucky day." The rain falls on the umbrellas. Caily smiles. Then she runs home.